Magandang gabi. Narito na ang 9 p.m. Lotto result. Sa araw ng Linggo, September 15, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 19 and 29 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 1 1 and 8 in exact order. Sa Super Lotto 649, ang winning numbers natin ay 32, 25, 15, 19, 21, and 9 in any order. With a jackpot price of 54,359,713 pesos and 20 centavos. Sa Ultra Lotto 658, ang winning numbers natin ay 31, 22, 19, 43, 37, and 5 in any order. With the jackpot price of 168,722,286 pesos and 80 centavos. Abangan natin bukas ang Mega Lotto 645 na may estimated jackpot of 44 million. At ang Grand Lotto 655 na may 29 million. Lotto schedules ngayong Lunes. Easy to Lotto, Suertres Lotto, 4D Lotto, Mega Lotto 645 at ang Grand Lotto 655. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.